Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're talking about the Detail Factory Pet Hair Remover. I've never been a big fan of this style of brush. However, Detail Factory has changed the game in not only the design, but the application of this brush. You get an ergonomic handle, you get a nice rubberized grip, it feels really good in your palm, and these guys have made their bristles a lot stiffer, meaning whether you're at home and you've got some thick carpet or you want to take that dog hair off the back of your couch, not only are you going to do it safely, but you're going to get as much of that dog hair off as possible. Now in your car, you're going to be able to use this on your seats and your carpet and your floor mats, and it's going to be able to pull all that dog hair out quickly and efficiently. It's got a little hole here at the top, so if you want to hang it in your garage on your pegboard or maybe in your utility room or wherever you park your vacuum, you've got it there next to it so you can always grab it when you need it. So pick one up today, try it out for yourself, and I think you're going to be amazed.